Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make churros. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For the churros, we'll need 2 eggs, a cup of water, a cup of flour, a half cup and 2 tablespoons of sugar divided, 6 tablespoons of butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and some oil for frying. For the sauce, we'll need 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, 3/4 cups of half and half or whole milk, a tablespoon of strong coffee, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll start by adding our 1 cup of water, 6 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of our sugar to a medium saucepan and bring it to a boil on the stovetop over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally. Once boiling, we'll turn the burner off and mix in our teaspoon of vanilla extract, cup of flour, and teaspoon of salt, and stir the mixture with a wooden spoon until it slightly thickens and comes together. Then we'll remove it from the burner and allow it to cool for 10 minutes. While our dough is cooling, we'll preheat our oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and mix together our remaining half cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of our cinnamon in a casserole dish to create our cinnamon sugar coating. Once our dough is finished cooling, we'll transfer it to a bowl and beat in our eggs, one at a time, until fully incorporated. While it's possible to do this by hand, I'll be using a stand mixer with the whisk attachment and beat it together on medium speed for about a minute. Then we'll transfer our dough to a piping bag with a star tip. I'm using a Wilton 32. Working in batches of 3 to 4, we'll pipe about 6 inches of our batter per churro into our heated oil using clean scissors to cut them and fry them until golden brown, about 4 minutes. Turning them halfway through, then we'll let our churros drain on a paper towel lined plate for about 20 seconds before rolling them in our cinnamon sugar mixture and allowing them to finish cooling on a wire cooling rack. While the churros cool, we'll make our chocolate sauce. We'll bring our half and half or whole milk to a simmer on the stovetop over medium heat. Once it's simmering, we'll place our chocolate chips in a medium heat-proof bowl and pour our heated half and half or whole milk over them, and whisk in our tablespoon of coffee, remaining teaspoon of cinnamon, and remaining 1/4 teaspoon of salt until it's well combined into a chocolate syrup. We'll serve our churros warm with our chocolate sauce. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.